Holy moly, folks. It has been a hell of a day so far. This is video number 3 for you guys on the day. This might not even be a video, it might not even make it. I'm going fly fishing for the first time in my life without any practice whatsoever. Like none. And we're going for a fish that I literally never catch. You know, I have caught brook trout, but today we're going for wild, native brook trout here in Massachusetts. Folks, this could be really, really cool. We're with a friend of Becca's, his name is Nate, and he's gonna tell us a few things about these trout we're going for when we get down to the river. Guys, if this is your first time on the channel, I suggest you go back and you take a look at the last 2 videos that we've done here in this trip to Massachusetts, because it's kind of a build-up. And then, you know, hit that subscribe button. That really helps a lot. And one of the most important things right now for me is to hear from you guys what you think of these videos. Ask me questions if you have them. Just leave some comments down below. I absolutely love responding to you guys, unless you're going to say something stupid like, please sub to my channel, I sub to yours. It's not going to work, and I probably won't even respond. Anyways, we're going to get out here. We're going to see what we can do, see what we can put together. If I catch a trout on a fly, I'm going to scream like a little bitch. Let's do this.
So special is the fact that they're wild and native, which means they've never lived in a hatchery, and these trout that are in this stream have been here longer than humans have ever had. So that's pretty special. And a lot of places everywhere in the US had that at one point, and people came and messed it up, and so the places that have it now are totally gems in the local ecosystem. So we have to do our part to enjoy it for ourselves, but also make sure it sticks around for the long run. So we're gonna fishing barbless hooks, flies only, get the treble hooks out of their mouths.
Nobody keeps the fish, right?
Nobody keeps the fish. You can't keep the fish. Just be as respectful as we can, and hopefully put a few fish in the net and let them swim.
Hell yeah.
I've caught fish on probably what, 26? This is a size 8 maybe.
Size 8 hooks.
Yeah, but go out west in a western tailwater and you'll see guys using size 32 midges, which are...
That's got to be like barely a nail.
Hang nail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's insane.
I have some. I hate midges a lot.
Do they just catch more fish doing that, or is just the fish smaller?
I know people who have caught 30-inch trout in Colorado on size 30.
That's insane.
I caught a low 20s on a 22.
That's nuts.
There are so many midges. That's a lot of the trout's diet. Just tiny little chironomids and stuff.
Okay.
Especially in tailwaters, which are rivers below dams.
Okay. That makes sense.
Just munch them up. But they are such a pain to fish. It's like you're essentially guessing if a fish hits it.
Yeah. Did you just get whacked?
Yeah, what? You see my fly? You see my fly back there?
Yep.
Switching along? Watch it. Congrats, buddy. Oh, don't be a bummer. That was a miss. A lot of little guys coming along. The little guys will just tank your fly, but are too small to actually eat it. So you see that thing right there with the tree sticker? Yeah. That's one of my dad's sensors. Typically, that's all underwater.
Well, what do you mean sensors? For what?
You see that little PVC thing?
Yeah.
My dad's a scientist.
Oh, dope.
So that's water level or temperature or something.
And it's completely out of the water right now.
Not getting a lot of.
Not getting anything from that.
This used to be like the juiciest hole ever, and then the tree decided to fall, which is likely better for the trout, more spot for them to hide. So.
Makes it harder for you to cast.
Watch my fly, watch my fly.
I saw him.
Yeah. Just ultra dim. Yeah,
Oh yeah. Yeah. They're so fast. That's a good spot.
To eat the fly. These fish were born in this stream.
That's a good spot, Becca.
Is that a hit?
Yeah.
Oh.
Little. They're just so little.
I don't care.
Oh no, I know. That's just why.
That's why you're missing them.
That's why you're missing them. Yeah.
Just keep your line. You see how you do that bend in your line?
Yeah.
Keep it like this so you can feel the hit.
Oh.
Is that a rise?
Yeah.
That little insect in that fish. Too bad I only brought fish flies.
Well, those are bait fish flies? Is that what you said?
These things, these little white flies, they imitate little minnows and stuff. That's why we're twitching them.
Cool.
You know, a lot of trout fishing are imitating insects.
They're so fast.
They're so fast.
Yeah, those are young of the year, so they're just...
Oh yeah.
Oh, that little guy. Alright, we connected with one.
Yeah, you did.
Steady improvement. Oh, you see that rise?
Yeah.
Okay, the dinks are eating. Well, let's see what they're eating.
It must be so frustrating learning how to do this. Because I'm like, I got frustrated pretty much immediately.
And get it through the guides.
Like they have so many good hiding spots when the water's not as low as it is right now. You can just see all this like great stuff here that they can't even get to right now, which sucks.
Oh my god, you have one. Oh my
Nuh-uh. Oh, yes.
Alright, keep him in the water, keep him in the water. Keep him in the water.
Net him.
Oh my god.
Dude,
That's so beautiful.
This is the coolest thing in my entire life.
It's so small that it slipped through the net and we lost it.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
You're lying.
No. Look at that. Those are big holes.
No.
It counts. It's a landed fish.
My heart hurts.
You cut it, Brook Trout.
Oh.
Oh my god.
You have one.
Yes. Yes.
Oh my god. I'm putting the fire rod down.
Yeah.
Yes.
No way.
So dope.
Yeah, let me get my camera out. Wow, it's so cool.
Alright, I'm popping the fly out, so.
Oh no.
Bye, buddy.
Just to see those two fish make me so happy.
Yeah.
Even though it was like, I barely saw them. And I've only taken like 2 casts. I still feel so pumped. Well, I don't do this shit, you know? This isn't, I'm like, we were out of our element today fishing 2 foot of water for striped bass, and I felt like the king of the fucking world. I mean, today's just been one of those days.
I told you.
It's like one for the books for me. I'm so
There's
pumped
one.
right now.
That one has some size.
You get them?
Yeah.
Sick.
This might be a nettable fish.
It looks like an edible fish. I'm gonna put my fire rod down. Oh yeah. Nice.
Alright.
Nice. This is so sick.
Alright, ready? Get this shot.
Yes, dude. Yes, dude. That is such a gorgeous fish, dude.
Wow.
Best of the day so far. Although the little ones are a little more impressive. Just because you've never catch them.
Are you serious?
Oh.
Wow, folks. So Becca's got one.
What was that? That was a pool.
Yeah.
Fish came from a pool.
Yep, a nice pool with a
Running.
like a bend
Yeah.
to it.
With like rippling water over it.
That was perfect. It's like picture perfect. Hope like what most of this should look like, but the water's so low. So guys, the water is so low at this place right now. It's literally insane. This is not what this place normally is like, says Nate. So Nate's now had 2 fish, his smallest brook trout ever, possibly. And Becca's got 1. I'm just filming right now because I feel so uncomfortable throwing a fly. I'm gonna take one of these fly rods and throw it in a little bit. Honestly, I don't even care if I catch one. I honestly don't even care. I really just want to see these fish. That's what I'm here for today. So let's get back to it.
All right, so come like right here,
Yep,
and the hole you're fishing. is
right
that.
there. Yep.
So just flick it in there. So go,
Flicked right there. I was going for it too, real good.
when you're doing a roll cast,
Yeah.
you want to form, you know, the weight behind the cast that, here, can I have this for a sec? That pushes the rod is the line. You know,
Right,
you're not
right.
throwing a lure. So you want to form a loop behind your rod and just send it forward. Just flick it back there.
Yes.
Yeah, and then just forward. Ooh. That was a good bit like that. And if you want, you pull a bit more line out and do it again. Or just let it kind of swing back there. Alright, now it's back there. So get tight to your fly, essentially. Here, hold the rod like that.
Yep.
And keep your line in there.
Oh, I got one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 3-pounder.
Fuck
So
yeah,
keep this line kind of in your trigger finger.
Yep.
So you have control if a fish hits. Send it back.
Oh God. Watch out, Becca. I'm learning.
Yeah. Let a bit of line out. Get the line in position to.
Alright, if you don't
In
get
that
your fish
hand.
in that hole,
Oh, it's in this hand.
top
Yeah,
right.
and then you.
Oh God. Oh, that was
You
a
don't
fucking bite. I know. What do you want me to do? I fucking freaked out.
Send it back in there.
That was a good bite. That like
Yeah?
felt like a fucking like a
Fish?
bluegill.
Yeah. Roll cast right back there. Give it another roll cast. Put it in the current so it goes back. Straight up fly cast. I like it.
I have no
Now get
idea
it in
what
your
I'm
finger.
doing.
Yeah. And just say. That's
This
the
way?
motion.
Don't move your rod tip though.
Oh, okay.
You know, here. Rod tip down and strip.
There you go.
Yeah.
It's so different. It's
That
so
bite was that like made my day. That
Send it back
little.
in there.
different. A bite on the fly is insane. Like, it really is. Fuck yeah, Todd. Look at you.
There you go. And rod tip down near the water. Yeah, so like now there's not much in the way of the fly into your hand.
You know what would have been awesome for Todd to get his first fly fishing? That when we were albie fishing with all those bluefish, he could have caught one so fast.
Yeah, it was crazy. Little snapper
See,
blues in the harbor.
I would feel so much more accomplished if I did it doing this.
No, of course.
Like so much more.
My first fly fish was a bluegill. I didn't feel accomplished. It wasn't. even
That's
on-
what most
See,
people
I would
want.
feel accomplished doing that
So
too.
flick it back a bit more. Get a bit more line out so you can like wiggle your tip and that'll let some of the slack out. Yeah, there you go. Let it sink back there.
I can
Tip-
wiggle everything.
Tip down. Strip.
Super small. Feel a little small. Yes. You want to move your rod tip so bad.
I know.
I'm watching.
It's
you.
terrible. I think this alone's great though. Just like
You're already improving. Look at you. You can do that. That's fucking awesome, man.
Half the struggle of fly fishing is getting your fly in the water.
I would say in practice line management.
Line, especially in saltwater fishing, if you want to be successful in saltwater fishing, it's all line management. That's why I have that stripping basket.
Yeah.
It's for when I strip my line,
Right.
it goes into the basket.
oh, cause like you'll get wicked tangled up.
Yeah. So if you're gonna like back cast,
Yeah.
wait till your line kind of straightens out a bit more before you move forward. Yeah. And that'll load it more.
That was good, except it was in the tree.
It was great. Except for the tree. So
Fantastic, except for the tree.
rod tip down, twitch,
Yes.
straight, boom, boom. Just
Oh, God damn it! Damn it, Jimbo!
Okay.
I saw that. It totally took it.
So besides of moving your body when you fish, just strip.
Yeah, I
harder.
need to strip. Yeah.
Just strip
The
harder.
action,
Once I get
the
it-
action is right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So flick him back in there.
It's
Beth.
like your rod is
Jesus
basically
Christ
useless.
almighty.
I got you.
It's all line.
Yeah, the rod's just to get your line out there. My buddy's building a chopper. You'll absolutely love this. My buddy's building a chopper to tenkara fish. Like he like built a chopper that he can, like he put a spot in it for his tenkara fishing rod, so he can like travel around.
Tenkaras.
It's unreal. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Oh
Rod
my
tip up,
god.
Rod tip up.
I just heard
Rod tip up and reel in a bit. Keep the line in your stripping hand. Yeah.
I can't believe this.
Rod tip up and bring it to me.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Native rookie.
I can't believe this shit.
God.
Oh, it's a beaut and a half too.
I want to get it good.
I'll hold the
Todd's
net for you.
first
So wet your
Brook
hands
Trout.
nice and good.
And first fly. Oh, not first Brook Trout. Todd's first fish on the fly.
There you go.
You.
I cannot believe this right now. Like lightly holding him, like super light.
All right,
you ready?
Yeah.
Later, bud.
So sick, man.
He's under me right now. Yeah, I'm gonna get up.
I'm just gonna drop a pin down below so you guys can come here if you want. Guys, the only thing you can use here is an inline spinner. Inline bait only. Oh man. All right, guys, I am literally flying right now. Guys, I got my first ever steelhead, but my camera died. So guys, that's the end of the video. We each caught one, which is unbelievable. Huge thanks to Nate here. This dude, he's the real MVP. The real MVP. And now we're gonna go hit some saltwater again. So it started in the salt, and we're gonna finish in the salt. I still can't get over the fact that my first fish on the fly was a native wild brook trout. Jacked up for days, folks.
For days.
4 days. So we're gonna get out of here. I love you guys. Subscribe to Becca or you suck. And hit the bell and shit for everybody. I'm out of here. Thanks for tuning in. Fish out!
Dump and jump for the shit all top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. So out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line with your fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I feel it. I let them hear the fear of a passive aggressive. Angry black man with a passion. Steady grip when I shoot to the stars with a full clip. Trying line with a loose leaf. Then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth in your bed with the right. Love at first sight shit, art over hype shit. Need a sound bite for the time capsule. Press play, they pause time for a bit. Smitten, I admit it, could